understand that for the first 6 weeks after delivery, the baby continues the sleep cycle which it had in the womb. And what was the sleep cycle of the baby in the womb? In the daytime, when the mother is walking, so the uterus is like a jholni, and the baby is going like this, and sleeps. So daytime baby sleeps, and at night when the mother is still, baby is awake. So this is the sleep cycle. This cycle continues post delivery when the babies come out. But the magic of breast milk is this: breast milk has two hormones, melatonin and tryptophan. So these two hormones are sleep inducing hormones. You must have heard of melatonin patch. It is given to people who have this, what is that called? When they shift continents and come.
Jet
Um,
lag.
jet lag. So melatonin patch is given to help sleep, to help induce sleep. So melatonin and tryptophan is more in nighttime milk, so that baby gets into the habit of sleeping more at nighttime. So this switch of sleeping more at nighttime, like it happens all over on earth, so this happens usually at 6 weeks. So your baby is sleeping more at night, maybe 5 hours also, it is okay, as long as your baby has fed at least 8 times in rest of the 19 hours. And more than 8 times, baby is emptying at least one breast every time, and yes, 8 times in the rest of the time. So if rest of the time all the three criteria is getting satisfied, baby is satisfied, urine output is good, weight gain is good, you don't have to wake up the baby in those 5 hours, because when once the baby sleeps, no, during sleeping growth hormone gets secreted. So growth hormone is very important for the growth of the baby, so don't interrupt the feed. What will you do to your own supply then? As I said, nighttime feeding is important, right, to maintain milk supply, but the baby is sleeping for 5 hours. What will you do? So first is for your own, uh, to maintain your own supply, you can get up and express once. You can either pump or you can hand express, whatever you want to do. I would suggest that if you only have to pump once in 24 hours, then do it with your hand. Hand expression is known to have less bacteria than pump, because there is hardly anything concerned. You just have to wash your hands, you don't have to wash your breast, whereas with pumping you have to sterilize so much. So
Everything, yeah.
express once in between, so that every 3 hours, even though the baby is not feeding, your breast has been expressed, emptied. So if the breast has been emptied, it will fill up again. If the breast has not been emptied, the supply will, the sensor, what will the sensor feel in the breast? Oh, nobody's taking the milk, let me decrease the supply. Okay, so don't allow the breast to get filled like that. So once you can express it out, getting up in between, and maybe you can give it to your baby later on sometime with a simple katori like this. Don't have to use bottle at all. A simple 30 ml katori with smooth borders. So always keep this in your house, and always keep some reserves of pumped milk in your freezer. So freezer can store milk for 3 to 6 months. If it's a two-door freezer, a two-door fridge, a single-door fridge, the freezer will keep for 2 weeks. So in a single-door fridge, the freezer will keep milk for 2 weeks. In a double-door fridge, the freezer will keep for 3 to 6 months.
3 to 6
You can
months.
just buy these steel containers of maybe 100 to 200 ml, and just keep one or two feeds ready. Just in case, like, you've not slept the whole night and in the morning baby is sleeping, so you want to fall asleep, but again you
Yeah.
have to sleep in 2 hours. So what you can do is, your mother-in-law or your mother can feed the expressed milk
Baby.
to the baby, and you can get at least 3 to 4 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Always good to have pumped milk in the freezer for at least 1 to 2 feeds. It will really help you. And for this, you don't have to buy exorbitant things. Just take this katori, learn cup feeding or Prill liquid, any liquid soap. You clean these. Don't use the bar, because then it can
Powder.
get
Yeah.
stuck. So use liquid soap, wash it, and then boil it for 10 minutes and dry it, air dry it. Don't wipe it, air dry it and close and store. So this is a sterile dabba. So every time I pump both the breasts, I can combine the milk and put in this.
Sure.
I
Yeah.
label here 10th March, 50 ml, and put in the freezer. I will use
Yeah.
the oldest milk first. Okay.